So what happens now?
We hit our 1,000 subscriber mark, guys.
And it's a huge deal, okay?
Yes.
Thank you guys so much. This is really big for us.
We really do appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm crying
This is
again.
huge. This is really, really huge. This is awesome.
This is really exciting, guys. 1,000 people subscribe to something. It's different than Instagram. I mean, we work like 48 hours on each video.
Butts off for this.
And we now owe you guys a vow to the future of our videos, we feel like.
Yes.
Because y'all done so much for us. And you'll know that I'm a photojournalist and Tyler was in the military. And we find ourselves enjoying the
government and politics and history of all the places that we visit.
Yeah. And we've encountered war, racism, famine. I mean, unethical tourism on our travels so far quite often.
Yeah.
And so
we want to vow to you guys that we will never leave this stuff out. Very important thing.
It's easy to leave this stuff out, but we don't want to. So that's it. You will always hear the real from us, okay?
Yes.
And we would love to hear your experiences too. So our narrative may not always be the most accurate, but it's what we researched, it's what we found out from locals, so just don't be too harsh on us.
Yeah. And for those of you that are new to this channel, my name is Tyler, and this is Ashley. We are married. We've been together for about 9 years now.
We're from Texas, and we've saved for about 6 of those 9 years to travel and do this.
Yes.
So it was a lot of saving, and it was worth it. We're on our 9th month.
So we would love for you guys to join us on the rest of our travels.
Please.
We have a lot more coming to you, and we don't plan on stopping anytime soon.
No, we're actually going home to Texas in July, and we'll be making a big announcement when we do. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe.
We'll see you guys next one.